Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, grade 7. Today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter 7, sound and hearing. How does sound travels from one place to another? Longitudinal waves. Sound cannot pass through vacuum. A sound wave can be modeled by using a slinky spring. A wavelength in this model is the distance between a refraction and compression. Sound is measured in hertz, and sound with a high frequency have high pitch. Now, true and false. A musical instrument have a part that vibrates. True. Sound only spreads in one direction from musical instrument. False. Inside the speaker is a cone which moves backward and forward, creating sound waves in the air. True. Echoes are produced by sound reflecting from soft surfaces. False. The regular upward and downward movement of weight on a string is called an oscillation. True. Third question, the diagram shows a drum and some questions about it. Explain how sound is produced from a drum. The skin of drum vibrates and produces sound waves. Describe two ways in which the sound of drum can be heard: by change in volume, by change in amplitude. Third, how will the sound from a small drum be different from larger? Because the large drum produces loud sound than the small drum, because large drum has more vibrating areas. Now fourth question, the diagram shows sound waves as seen on the screen of an oscillation. First question, mark the wavelength and amplitude. This is wavelength and this is amplitude. The sound wave in the diagram represent 4 vibrations. It was created 1/10 of the second. What is the frequency? We can find the frequency by using formula. Frequency is equal to wavelength over speed in second. 4 over 1 over 10th and 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40 Hertz. What is an echo? Echo is a sound that is repeated because the sound waves are reflected back. Second question, some fishermen use echoes to locate shoals of fish beneath their boats. Use a diagram to explain this work. You can draw this diagram to explain this work. A mountaineer shouts for help. Half a second later, 0.5 half of the hears the echo. How far away is look face, which is reflecting her voice? Take a sound of speed 330 meters per second. Let us assume the distance is d. So, using formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to 2d. So, speed, time, multiply. Then the answer is 82.5. So, the rock that reflected her voice was 82.5 meters away. Now, next questions. By relating these diagrams, how would sound 1 and 2 be different? Sound 1 is low frequency, then sound 2. What is the difference between sound 1 and 2? Sound 1 is louder than the sound 3. Which sound has the highest amplitude? Sound 1 has the highest amplitude. Which sound has the highest frequency? Sound 2 has higher frequency. Sound 1 has a frequency of 220 Hz. If the speed of sound is 330 meters per second, what is the wavelength of the sound 1? Wavelength is equal to speed in meter over frequency. 330 meters per second over 220, then the answer 1.5 meter. And what is frequency of a sound 3? High frequency. Now seventh question, the diagram shows the inside of ear drum. First question, the ear flap is shaped because like a funnel. Suggest a reason. Because it helps in directing sound. Describe how sound waves affect the eardrum. Answer is the high intensity sound waves cause large vibrations. What is the job of 3 small bones? To transmit the sound. What passes along the nerve to the brain? Impulses. Fifth question, the ear canal is sometimes blocked with wax. What is the effect? It's common cause of detective hearing loss. Explain why an iPad played a high volume can damage your hearing, because sensitive cells in the ear are exposed to loud noise. Thank you.